Rub this on your plants and pests may start disappearing after the very first use. Take a bar of soap, preferably a natural one with a gentle yet effective formula. Cut it into smaller pieces so it fits easily into the blender. Add the pieces to the blender and prepare 4 cups of water. Pour the water into the blender so the soap can dissolve properly. Measure out about 1/3 cup of white vinegar, which helps keep insects away while also supporting healthy plant growth. Pour the vinegar into the blender together with the soap and water. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. The oil creates a protective layer on the leaves and helps the mixture coat the plants evenly. Close the blender and blend everything until smooth and fully combined. Pour the mixture into a glass container for easy access to the prepared spray. Then, transfer it into a spray bottle. The spray bottle makes application precise and convenient. Thoroughly spray all leaves, stems, and hard-to-reach areas. Make sure every part of the plant is covered with the mixture. The blend helps keep ants, aphids, moss, and other pests away. Your garden stays protected and well cared for throughout the season. Regular use supports the natural growth of plants, strengthens their resilience, and improves their overall appearance. The leaves look shiny, clean, and fresh. Your plants stay strong, healthy, and beautiful all season long. It's best to use the spray in the evening or early in the morning, so the ingredients can stay on the leaves longer and work more effectively. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes. This trap will catch all the flies in your home. Flies can be really persistent and multiply quickly, so it's worth acting immediately. Prepare a glass and pour in boiled water. Then add 4 generous tablespoons of sugar and mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are well combined. Sugar acts as a strong bait and attracts flies with its scent. Next, add a teaspoon of baking powder. It helps the mixture work and increases its effectiveness. Mix everything again. Now add a few drops of essential oil, for example lavender or peppermint. The oil enhances the effect and influences the insect's behavior. Mix everything thoroughly once more. Place the mixture on a windowsill or where the most flies appear. The flies will fly to it themselves, attracted by the scent, and won't want to leave. You can also leave it in the kitchen, and you'll notice the effect quickly. This is an effective homemade fly trap that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Such a trap works perfectly and quickly solves the problem. Hang it on a tree, and you'll quickly get rid of that annoying problem. This little pouch will also work well in the house. It's a simple yet effective method. Take some aluminum foil and tear off a piece. Foil is not only good for storing food, but also has hidden uses. Fold the foil into a larger rectangle and fold the edges tightly to keep it from falling apart. Carefully make a small hole at the top using a screwdriver. Now take a string and cut a piece of the right length. Secure it carefully to the foil. The pouch should look like this. Its function is simple but effective. You can hang it on a window, door, or even on a tree. This will keep flies from appearing in your home. The light reflecting off the foil on a sunny day effectively repels them. These insects avoid the flickering reflections that they associate with it. This small but clever trick can be indispensable, especially in the summer when the insect problem becomes particularly bothersome. Stick a pad to a fly swatter. Take a standard fly swatter, the kind you have at home. Any will work. Then remove the pad from its packaging. Peel off the protective papers and stick the pad onto the fly swatter. Use this prepared tool to clean the floor under the cabinets, where the mop can't reach. This tool will reach every crevice with ease. Notice how the pad picks up dirt perfectly. You'll see that your floors will shine with cleanliness and sparkle like never before. You can use this tool on any difficult surface. Watch how the pad effectively collects dirt, removing even the smallest particles. This way, you'll remove dirt and dust from hard-to-reach areas where the mop couldn't go. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Using a pad in your daily cleaning routine surprises with its efficiency and versatility. With it, your home will always look like it's been professionally cleaned. Flies and mosquitoes will stay far away from your home thanks to this simple and effective method. If you're tired of those annoying bugs, try this natural solution. Start by preparing a glass. Fill it to the top with ground coffee. The type of coffee doesn't matter, but its aroma is key. Mosquitoes and other insects can't stand the smell of coffee, even though it's pleasant and relaxing for us. In the center of the coffee-filled glass, insert a wooden skewer. Remove it. Then take a candle wick, fold it in half, and place it in the glass. Trim the ends of the wick so it burns evenly when lit. Sprinkle a few cloves on top. Their scent also repels mosquitoes. Cloves are known to drive away ants, and even moths too. Finally, light the wick with a match, and you're done. Place the candle on a table or shelf. This natural method doesn't require any chemicals. Now you can enjoy peaceful evenings without annoying mosquitoes. You should hang it on the window. In no time, you'll get rid of a bothersome problem. You will thank me for this trick later. Hang such a bag in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom, on the window or on the balcony door. This clever trick is a must-have. I can no longer imagine my home without such a pouch. All you need is to get an ordinary plastic bag. It doesn't have to be too big. The size I am showing now is sufficient. A couple of ordinary coins will also come in handy. Turn off the water in the sink and fill the pouch with water. It is enough to fill it halfway. Then drop a few coins into the water in the pouch. I have a zip bag, so I will close it now. But you can also use a regular bag. Tie it with a rubber band or string. The pouch looks like this. Hang it on the frame of the balcony door, or on the window handle. You won't see any more flies in the house. The reflected light from water and coins on a sunny day keeps flies away. These insects are afraid of water and all the strange flashes they associate with water. Such a bag of water with coins is enough to scare them away. They won't even want to go near it.